In this video, I will show you how to fix Strava not syncing to Google Fit. First, open your Google Fit app. At the bottom right corner, tap on your profile. From here, tap the settings icon at the top. Scroll down and select Track Your Activities with Health. Make sure the switch is turned on so Google Fit can stay connected. Now, go back to your home screen and open the Strava app. Once you're in, tap on your profile at the top left. Then go to Settings at the upper right corner. Scroll down and tap on Manage Apps and Devices. Here, make sure all the switches are turned on so Strava can properly sync your data with Google Fit. This should get everything connected and syncing again. And that's how to fix Strava not syncing to Google Fit.